All right, guys, welcome everyone. We have been asked a few times, more than a few times, that who are you guys? What are you guys? So today we decided to give you a little tour of our facility, how we do things around here. The manager here, Jake, is inside. Right now it's 5 o'clock. Everybody's gone for the day, but I believe he's still inside. So he's gonna give us a little tour. So before we start, this is how everything looks. This is the warehouse, and it's kind of like an exterior view. And so the outside tour looks like this. The first gray door is ours. All right, so let's go inside and meet Jake. All right, so Jake,
Hey,
what's going on, man? Are you about to leave?
I was.
Well, yeah, I was gonna come a little early, but 5 o'clock is a good time, I think. So I thought, can you give us like a few minutes and show us around what's going on over here?
Yes, we can do that.
All right. So HiRev Sports. So what's
Um,
going on? When it started? How things are going?
well, HiRev Sports, as you can see on our wall over here, we were started in 2018 in Chicago out of a garage, believe it or not, selling reflectors. Pretty
Yep.
crazy.
Wow.
It's been about 5 years now. After about a year in Chicago, they moved over here to Addison, Texas. Seems like they brought the cold with them, but we've been here for about 4 years now. And yeah, so this is our lobby area. The lobby area is kind of where we have business meetings and where we meet with people. If you do a local pickup, this is where you'll come and pick up your product. When we need to test stuff, we're looking for a local car. We'll hatch all the details out right here. Yeah, this is all our office space here. You'll have to excuse the mess. I didn't know y'all were coming, so. But this office room right here, this is where all the customer service magic happens. A lot of brainstorming happens in here. So if y'all call or email, it's taken care of right in that office right there. We got our break room over there. So we do allow our employees to take a little bit of a break. This office right here, this is our social media office. This is where the guy that does all of our social media, this is where he works, video editing, posts. This is all that magic's done right there in that office.
Nice, nice.
Working
Okay.
our way down here, we do have a couple other office spaces. Not much going on in here.
What's going on in this room?
This room right here. This is actually the room that we put all of our testing products. Some of them that just didn't work out, they kind of sit in here. Some of them first manufacturer test products, they go in here. We've got nothing to do with them really, so they kind of just hang out in here.
Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff.
This is where we ran out of space. So this is kind of where we store some carryover from testing products and working our way out to the warehouse. So this is the warehouse. I consider this kind of a little bit empty.
Uh-huh.
We've sold a lot of stuff. We do have a truck on the way, and it should be here hopefully by the end of next week. Um, but we'll give you a little explanation of how everything works. Also, we did hide some stuff around around this tour. So I just want to let y'all know that when we do these tours and stuff, we like to give a little game for y'all. So we did hide some little signs around the warehouse, and if y'all can figure it out, what it is, it'll allow you to get 50% off of a one-time purchase. Only one customer, whoever figures it out first and gets the code, you'll get a one-time purchase, 50% off.
So where are the clues? Where is that code?
Well, these clues are sporadic throughout the warehouse. You might have already seen some.
Oh, okay, okay,
Some more.
okay.
Also, there's another code in this warehouse that will give you 25% off. Anybody who sees that one can get the 25% off.
And that code is good for what?
Anything that's not on sale.
Okay, and that code is any expiration date on it or anything?
Not well. It does have an expiration date. It'll expire by the end of this month. So if
Okay.
you see that code, you better use it while you can.
Okay, okay, all right.
After this month, it will be deactivated.
Okay, all right. So what is this area?
All right, so this is our testing area. So we do have a warehouse staff. So the difference between HiRev Sports and everybody else is our stuff is in stock. We do not drop ship anything. Everything that you buy is stored in this warehouse. Our warehouse workers will come and grab it. So, for example, if you buy some OEM Camry taillights, the OEM style, the warehouse worker, whoever gets that order, is going to grab that tail light. They're going to first open it up and inspect it. So we always open everything up and inspect it first. So we check the lens. We make sure the lens is in good condition, no scratches, no debris inside the light. After it passes that inspection, we take it over to our power inverters that we have at the tables here. We have little power inverters here. This makes the light function like it's on your car. So we connect it, make sure all the functionalities, the turn signal, the brake light, the animation, all that works before we ship it out. Once it goes through the power inverter test, then we package it back up, tape it up, and we ship it out to y'all.
Nice, nice. Okay, so this is seem like all the packaging material.
That's all the boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we gotta ship things in boxes. We get them in bulk, so you gotta create a box for it. But this kind of gives you a better idea of how much stuff we got in this warehouse. Like I said, everything is shipped from this Addison location. We ship worldwide. If you make an order, let's say you place an order before noon, that order will most likely get shipped out that same day, and you should receive it in about 3 to 5 days. So there's no waiting a month, 2 months, or 3 months to get your order.
Okay.
For example, another thing I like to point out when I'm talking to customers is our bumpers. So if you order a V4 Accord bumper, this is the customer who ordered it. It's already packaged, ready to go. It's waiting to be picked up by the freight company. You order a V4 bumper. This is how the manufacturer ships it. This is how it's supposed to be shipped. But a lot of these other places, to save on shipping or to offer free shipping, what they'll do is they fold this bumper up. They'll fold it up, and so they can put it in a box that's more like the size of this box over here. And they put it in this box so they can save on shipping. Shipping a box like that is about $50. Shipping something like this on a freight truck costs us usually about $600. We cover most of the shipping, but we still do charge a little bit of shipping. But we help you out by covering at least half of it, sometimes more. But
Okay.
we can kind of go further back here.
Wow, I want to see this area. Oh my God. Okay, so everything is in stock, ready to ship, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Everything's in stock. This is all the body kit stuff. This is just one car of the body kits. The rest of it's in the very back. A little tight back there. Steering wheels and visors and all different kinds of stuff for different cars.
Wow. Okay. So all right, all right. So
Like for example, if you were to order some reflectors,
okay.
that's
And
our Civic section over there.
okay, this is all Civic.
All Civic sedan and a little bit of hatchback. But if you were to order some reflectors, the Elite Series reflectors, which is very popular, for Camry, warehouse worker is going to come over here. They're going to find the one that you ordered. They come in red, smoke, and different variants, V1, V2. And they're going to grab the reflector that you ordered, and they're going to take it back over to that station there and test it out and inspect it.
All right, okay. And what's going on over here?
This is our dark area. There's just not a lot of lighting back there, but
Wow.
there's lots of taillights.
Uh-huh.
This is where everything, all the stock. This is where it all happens. All the stock is stored. And we can go up front. So you'll probably notice we have a bone stock Accord here. This is a 2022 2.0 Accord that we're going to actually be doing a lot of videos on. You'll see a lot of this car because we're going to be changing it completely. We're going to be working everything from the front to the back. We have We're going to change out the bumper. It's going to have a new bumper.
Which new bumper? What new bumper?
Well, I can't talk much about it, but it is a brand new product. Nobody's going to have it. It is right now. It's still in the production phase, but stay tuned, and there'll be several videos on that new bumper coming out.
Nice.
So we're going to change out the bumper. We'll change out the wheels. We're going to change out the mirrors. Chrome. We're going to chrome delete it. We're going to add a rear bumper to it. Obviously, we're going to change out the tail lights. Add another spoiler.
You missed out what? Any wheels or anything?
Yep, we're going to do the wheels. We're going to change the wheels out on it, and then we're going to add an exhaust to it as well.
Oh, nice, nice.
And then we'll even put a privacy plate on there.
Nice. What are these? What are these black boxes?
This is the VRZ lights.
Oh,
These
okay.
lights are hard to keep in stock, but
Okay.
we do have them in stock right now.
Nice, nice. Okay, wow. Okay, a lot of.
Lexus is back there, and GTR is over there.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, these boxes right here, those are our new Accord, 11th Gen Accord body kits by Yoka. So this is actually a really nice body kit. When it's fully installed, it's very nice. So y'all should check that out on the website if you got a new Accord.
What's that pile of boxes at the back?
Oh, so that's our open box section. So anytime we do inspect these lights, sometimes the manufacturer does make a mistake. And there is a defect, like there could be some debris in the lens or a scratch on the lens. We don't sell it as a new item. We're not going to ship that to y'all. So we put it over here in our open box section and we sell it as an open box item. Most of this open box stuff is brand new. It looks brand new. It just has a minor imperfection to it. All the wiring, everything will function like normal. It just has something wrong with the lens or something inside. If it doesn't function at all, we just throw it away. We get rid of it.
Oh, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Now, all right.
This
What is this area?
is big tent area. This is kind of where we do some videos. We'll do some install videos in here. We do test fitting in here. This is where any new products that we have coming that we need to a customer's car to install it, take some pictures. It's kind of where all that magic happens.
Okay, okay. Now, okay, explain that coupon code or that 50%, 25% off one more time so people can know
Okay.
what to look for. What are they what are they doing?
So they're looking for. I'm sure y'all have seen and noticed there might have been some little slips hanging on boxes, random places, but the coupon code is in there. So you're gonna have to pay attention. You're gonna have to do some searching in this video, to get that 50% off coupon code. There's also another coupon code that's not as hard to figure out, but that's gonna give you 25% off, and that coupon code will be able to be used as much. Anybody who figures it out will be able to use that code. Anything that's not on sale, but that code does expire at the end of this month. The 50% off code is going to be a one-time only, one customer only. Whoever figures it out first is going to get that 50% off code.
Okay, give me a little bit more details on that Accord giveaway.
So the Accord giveaway. So once we're done with doing all the stuff to this Accord, we're going to be showing all the transition, the journey that this Accord is going to go on. We're going to record several videos off of it, and then once we're done with this Accord, it's only got 22,000 miles on it. We're going to be giving it away. We're going to give it away to a lucky winner. Whoever purchases any of the merchandise that's on the website, so the HRS merchandise, anything that's purchased, every dollar you spent is an entry into winning this Accord. And even if you buy today, that we're starting. So it's already started. If you buy today, HRS merchandise, stickers or the cleaning towels or anything that's in that HRS merch section, every dollar is an entry in towards winning this. Once all the entries are sold out, we will pick a lucky winner and we will give this car away.
Okay, good, good, good deal, good deal. So, any idea when you guys are going to be giving away this car?
I'm not sure. I don't have an idea yet. We just got this car and we got to do a lot of stuff to it first. But as soon as those entries are sold out on it, we'll be done with the car. And once the entries are sold out, then we're going to give it away.
So you are saying that this car is going to be equipped with the new bumper which is coming up?
Yes.
Okay. So
It'll be
any pictures, anything?
no, I can't show you anything. That's top secret.
Man,
Top
that's tough.
secret.
Oh,
But it's going to be exclusive for us, so you'll only be able to buy it from us.
okay, okay.
And I
So
can
that's
tell you,
that's basically the HRS product.
yes, and I
Okay.
can tell you, you're going to want it.
Oh, okay,
So,
okay. All
and
right.
that's pretty much it. You know, this area right here, this is kind of where all the
What are these
bumpers
big? What are these big boxes?
These are the bumper boxes. So,
Huh.
like I said before, how you got your Tesla, your new Tesla body kit is right here. How these bumpers are shipped to us from the manufacturer, just like this. This is how we ship them out. These are all Accord front bumpers right here. We do have a lot of stock of some tail lights. We put our bulk stock right here.
So these are the which one? The front bumpers
Yep,
or?
these are the V4 front bumpers, and then we got the V4 rear bumpers.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. Got it.
All
All right,
right,
okay. So now we're heading back out to the lobby.
heading back out to the lobby,
Hmm.
so I can go home.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your time, Jake.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure.
Yep. If y'all have any questions or anything, we're always here. We answer every one of our emails whenever they come in. We answer them same day. If it's over the weekend, we do close on the weekend, so I do allow the staff to take a couple days off. But we will answer it basically when we get back on Monday. But if y'all have any questions, you know where to reach us.
All right, thank you so much, Jake, for your time.
Thank you.